Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1977 Chevy Corvette. Now if you've got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Vette, and then we'll get it on a lift and out on the highway as well. As we look across the front, you can see that this white is accented by the gold stripes, and it'll also give you the opportunity to look down the sides and you can see that all these body lines are beautiful on this car. As we come on around the driver's side, you'll notice this car does have the side pipe upgrade, and you can see that it is a T-top car as well. Before we go on around the outside though, I want you to come on up, we'll take a look here on the interior. Now this car is accented on the inside by the tan interior, which provides a beautiful complement to the exterior color scheme. As we look across the dash, you'll see that the gauges are in excellent condition along with the dash pad, and you'll also notice that you got the wood grain accents here on the console. Now as we come on around, you can see that the door panels tie in perfectly with the same wood grain accents, and you'll also notice that the carpet's in great condition along with the seat covers. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we come across the back, you can see the rear emblem along with the lenses are in great condition, and you'll also notice that you've got the gold stripe here, which ties in the exterior color combination perfectly. Now as we come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good look at the stance on this car. Now the paint on this car has been buffed and polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here. And you'll notice that the stance is set off by the 18-inch American racing wheels with new tires. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As you can see here under the hood, they've done a great job with the restoration. It features a 350 engine with the Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's also got the Edelbrock intake and the Holley carb. Now this car does have the power steering along with the power brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Corvette, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a look at the bottom. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Vette around there so that way we can look at the bottom and then we'll get it out on the highway for you too. Now that we have this Corvette on the rack, we can take a close look at the floors and frame. As you can see, they have done an excellent job at the time of restoration and making sure that everything was detailed to a high level. Now under the front, you can see that it does have disc brakes and that all of the bushings are in great condition. The 350 engine is mated to the Super T10 4-speed transmission, and for exhaust, it's been upgraded with headers and side pipes. Out back, we also have the disc brakes, and as we come on around, we can take a close look at the floors and see that they all appear to be phenomenal along with the frame. Now let's get this Vette down and we'll get it out on the highway for you.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.